Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and today I have a super easy to make party dip perfect for picnics, barbecues, and any other get-together. So bust out your veggies and naan bread because today we're going to make some tomato and pesto hummus. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start off with the most important hummus ingredient, chickpeas. Bust out a food processor and toss in chickpeas along with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Blend that until completely smooth. Scrape out the hummus into a serving bowl. This is a basic hummus at the moment, but we're going to step it up with some fun bonus ingredients. First, let's slice up some cherry tomatoes and add them to the bowl. And for a final pop, we'll add some fresh vegan pesto. We whipped this up on a previous episode, so check out the link in the description for that delicious recipe. Add a couple globs of the pesto on top, a dip inside of a dip, if you will. This is looking dip-tastic, so let's plate this dish. Every good party has hummus. Our hummus is nice and velvety, and on top of that, the pesto and the tomatoes really give it a fun personality all on its own. So good. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite party foods in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. And I don't have the blade in there.